Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Gunpla with an exciting review of the Bandai Hobby Gundam Seed Destiny Strike Freedom Gundam MGEX 1/100th Model Kit. We found this incredible product online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes this model kit truly special. The Strike Freedom Gundam MGEX is not just another model, it represents the pinnacle of metal expression in the history of Gunpla. With its extreme metallic combination, this kit brings a stunning visual appeal that will captivate both seasoned builders and newcomers alike. One of the standout features of this model is the impressive articulation. It boasts the highest number of linked frame articulation gimmicks in master-grade history. This means you can pose your Strike Freedom Gundam in virtually any dynamic way you can imagine. Whether you're recreating iconic scenes from the Gundam series or coming up with your own unique poses, the flexibility and movement of this kit will not disappoint. But it's not just about articulation, the true beauty of the golden frame is unleashed through these intricate gimmicks. The design incorporates various mechanisms that enhance the overall aesthetic and functionality of the model. The attention to detail is remarkable, making it a feast for the eyes. In terms of armaments, the kit comes packed with a variety of weapons and accessories that add to the overall experience. From beam rifles to energy wings, the Strike Freedom Gundam has everything you need to create a stunning display. Additionally, Bandai has included a paper-crafted runner stand to assist you during assembly, making the building process smoother and more enjoyable. So, who is this model kit suitable for? Well, whether you're a seasoned Gunpla builder or just dipping your toes into the hobby, this kit caters to a wide range of skill levels. The complexity of the build makes it a rewarding challenge for experienced modelers, while its impressive visual payoff is sure to inspire beginners to take their time and appreciate the intricacies of the assembly. Practical use cases for this model are endless. Once built, it can serve as a striking display piece on your shelf, a fantastic addition to a diorama, or even a centerpiece at conventions. The articulation allows for dynamic poses, so you can frequently change it up, keeping your display fresh.